Good morning, dear kids. I am continuing with your 12.2 question number 4. It says a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. So I have a circle whose chord is 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. And it subtends right angle at the center. So at center it is 90 degree. So you have a central angle. If I name this as AB, so you have angle AOB in your hand, that is 90 degree. Further it says you have to find the area of corresponding, the question is missing, it is find the area of corresponding first minor segment and then it is major segment. What do you mean by segment here? I'll color this part red. This part is known as segment. That means if you subtract, so area of segment will be, if you subtract area of triangle from area of sector, what you will get will be your segment. That means पूरे सेक्टर में से अगर मैं, ये पूरा सेक्टर है, उसमें से अगर मैं ट्रायंगल की एरिया डिलीट करती हूँ तो what I will get will be known as minor segment. And what is major segment? अगर आप पूरे सर्कल की एरिया से माइनर सेगमेंट subtract कर रहे हो तो what will be remaining will be called as area of major segment. Now area of segment, area of sector you need, and you need area of triangle. What is area of sector, my dear kids? We know very well, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. And what is area of triangle? Here, my dear kids, you have area of triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle. For that, area will be half into base into height. Now base is AO and height is OB. You can take vice versa. You can take height AO and base OB. No worries. But both the things are missing out. So how we'll get that? For that, if you remember, we have been given AB value. AB is in this triangle AOB. AB value is given to you 10 centimeter. That means if this is a hypotenuse, then if you want AO or OB, you can also go with your sign perpendicular upon hypotenuse. From there you will get the value of AO, and whatever value you will get of AO, that will be equal to OB because they are the radius of the same circle. So you will get AO and OB together. So once you got AO or OB, you can take that as base and height of a right angle triangle and find the area. Area of sector minus area of triangle will be your area of segment, area of minor segment. Once you got, see everything you have, once you got base and height, this base and height is the radius of the circle. So वही चीज़ें आपको सिर्फ put in करनी है. Getting my point clear? I guess you will get AO and OB as 10. I'm sorry dear kids, it is given in the problem a chord of circle radius 10 centimeter. I have taken chord ka measurement 10 centimeter. I am so sorry, the radius is given 10 centimeter. So the problem becomes very easy. You do not have to use any kind of trigonometrical functions or trigonometrical ratios to find your radius. So radius is given to you. So you have to just put in the values of radius in your area of sector. And for area of triangle also, the radiuses will become base and height. Got my point clear? So you have base and height 10, 10. From there you will get area of sector, area of triangle. When you subtract, you will get area of minor segment. Once you got area of minor segment, my dear kids, what you have to do? Area of major segment. You have to find area of major segment. How you will find area of major segment? Yes. Here it is area of major sector, not segment. For the first it was minor segment, we got the value here. Now it is major sector. तो वो मेजर सेक्टर क्या होता है? अगर आप माइनर सेक्टर माइनस कर देते हो अपने सर्कल के एरिया में से, सो वॉट एवर विल बी रिमेनिंग विल बी योर मेजर सेक्टर. नाउ यू हैव ऑलरेडी फाउंड द एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर हियर. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. दिस इज योर एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. तो ये आपने एरिया ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हैं, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. नाउ यू हैव टू जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 360 from the area of circle. I'm so sorry, from the area of circle. So area of entire circle will be pi r square. So you will put 3.14 into radius is 10 into 10. So once you get the entire area of circle, from that you have to subtract your area of sector, whatever you have found this area. उसका अगर आप subtraction करेंगे तो what will be remaining will be area of major sector. Sector and segment are different. I hope you got the concept. If I am drawing something like this will be called as a sector. But if in a circle, if I am drawing something like this will be called as a segment. Got my point clear? So this is your minor sector, this is your minor segment. And the remaining part here will be called as a major sector, and the remaining part here will be called as a major segment. Is the concept clear? Okay. Next you have in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree. So radius is given to you. This is your radius 21 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree. This is the arc. If I name this as AB, so AB subtends angle AOB, which is 60 degree. You have to find the length of arc. Now how to find the length of arc? अब तक जो हम लोग कर रहे थे वो हम लोग फाइंड कर रहे थे एरिया, बट नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क. नाउ फॉर लेंथ ऑफ आर्क यू हैव अ फॉर्मूला, दैट इज थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. आप एरिया में फॉर्मूला क्या डालते थे? थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर, बिकॉज देयर यू वर फाइंडिंग विथ एरिया, बट नाउ यू आर फाइंडिंग विथ आर्क लेंथ. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? तो वो सर्कमफ्रेंस का हिस्सा हुई, तो हम लोग को थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर यू हैव टू पुट. थीटा हियर इज गिवन एज 60. 2 into pi you can take 22 upon 7, and radius is given as 21. Once you calculate this, my dear kids, you will get the value of length of arc. Now you have to find area of sector formed. So this is the sector, this is a sector formed by AB arc. So you have to find the area of sector AOB. So again the formula of area will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. You have theta 60 upon 360. You have pi value you can put 22 upon 7. And radius you have 21 into 21. So from there whatever answer we will get, that will be the value of area of sector. Now you have to next find area of segment formed by corresponding chord. अब अगर मैंने ये AB join कर दिया, so this is the segment. I have darkened the red part. Can you see this? This will be called as a segment. Now how to find the area of segment, my dear kids? We have already done. Area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector just you have found here, so that sector area you will put it here. What will be area of triangle? I am coloring blue there. Please check. This is the triangle. इसकी area find करनी है, तो how you will find? This is 60 degree here in between. My dear kids, this is the radius. Radius are equal. So if you have a triangle like this is 60. These both are equal. So this also will be 60, 60. So hence it will become an equilateral triangle. And this is given as 21 centimeter. The side is given as 21 centimeter. For equilateral triangle area, you have formula root 3 upon 4 side square. So from there you will get root 3 upon 4 into 21 into 21. So that will be your area of triangle. Area of sector you have already found here, and area of triangle you will find from here. Both the things you will subtract, area of sector minus area of triangle. Whatever value you will get, that will be the value of area of segment. I am deliberately not calculating and putting the value because otherwise you people will just copy paste and do it. It's better you calculate. I'll teach you the concepts. Got my point? So how to find area of segment? Area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. For triangle you have to use the formula for finding area. Because it's an equilateral triangle, so I have used root 3 upon 4 side square. And area of sector you have already found. In problem number 6, we have a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. So I'll draw a circle and here it is radius. This is 15, this also is 15. Subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So I have put 60 degree here. Find the area of corresponding minor and major segment. So you have to find here this segment, and when you will subtract this segment area from the entire circle area, what you will be getting is your major segment. So first you have to find the area of this minor segment, which I have colored blue. How you will find? So area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is area of sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is area of triangle? Because again the central angle is 60. These both sides are equal, being the radius of same circle. This also will be 60 and 60. Hence this will be a equilateral triangle. And the area formula is root 3 upon 4 side square. Got my point? Theta here is given as 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 r square. So radius is 15, 15 minus root 3 upon 4 side square. Side is again 15, 15 of a triangle. Once you calculate this, you will get area of minor segment, which I have colored blue. Now this minor segment you have to subtract from area of circle. So what you will get? Area of major segment. So area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle you know very well, pi r square. Area of minor segment, that is blue in color, you have just found here. Put in that value and subtract. You will get area of major segment. Next we have problem number 7, which says a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. So I'll draw a circle. This is center. This is radius 12 centimeter. This is chord. Subtends 120 degree at the center. The central angle is given as 120 degree. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. So you have to find area of segment. We know very well area of segment is what? Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is theta upon 360 minus pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Now look at the triangle. This is 12, this is 12. So it's an isosceles triangle. My dear kids, if this is an isosceles triangle, I'll draw it here. This is 120. So this is an isosceles triangle. So the base angles will be same. So 180 minus 120, that will be 60. So I'll put 30 here, 30 here. So this is 30, this is 30. Now I'll draw perpendicular from the chord, from the center towards the chord. Now my dear kids, if you notice, this will become your right angle triangle, 90, 30, 60. Now if I want, hypotenuse have been given to me 12 centimeter, that is the radius. In triangle, if I name this as, in triangle AMO, hypotenuse AO is given as 12 centimeter. I have to find OM and AM. So I'll go for finding OM. What I'll do is, I'll use trigonometrical ratio. Sine angle A is equal to OM upon AO. Getting my point? AO is given to you. Sine angle A, that means sine 30 degree. You will put the value of 30 degree and AO is given to you. You will cross multiply and get the value of OM. Got my point clear? Once you got OM, my dear kids, you can use another trigonometrical ratio in the same triangle, triangle AMO. Hypotenuse is given. If you want to find AM, you can go for cos angle A is equal to AM, that is base, upon hypotenuse, that is AO. Cos angle A, that means cos 30 degree, is equal to AM. You have to find AO has been given as 12. When you cross multiply by putting cos 30 degree ki value, you know very well how to get the values. You have been given a table in your books. You can utilize that. Find the value of cos 30, put in here, cross multiply and get the value of AM. Once you got the value of AM, you will double it to get AB, because it is said that perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord divides the chord in two equal halves. That we have done in our grade 9th. So we have AM, you got it. When you double it, you will get AB. Now my dear kids, you have both the things in your hand. You have OM here and you have AB. Once you got both the things, your base is available with you. Your height is there. Area of triangle you can write half base into height. Got my point clear? So once you find the sector area and the triangle area, you will get area of minor segment. Is it easy? The only thing is you have to find the area of triangles. Sometimes the area of triangle will be equilateral triangle. That means you can use the formula root 3 upon 4 side square. Sometimes you will not get equilateral triangle. Sometimes you will get right angle triangle. So you can use half base into height. Sometimes you will get such like this triangles. For that base and height you have to find by using trigonometrical ratios. Is it easy? Next, my dear kids, we have a horse is tied to a peg at the corner of a square. So if I am drawing a square here, suppose a horse is tied over here. Now at a corner of a square, shaped grass field of 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. A horse is tied to a peg at a corner of a square shaped grass field of 15 meter. So this is a square shaped of 15 meter. Okay. And it is tied by a 5 meter long rope. So yes, you have to find the area of part of a field in which horse can graze. Now horse अगर यहाँ पे बंधा हुआ है, वो कितनी rope है उसकी 5 मीटर की. So if it is going from here, it can go till here. See, yes, ये horse है suppose. तो ये horse यहाँ से जाएगा, कहाँ तक जाएगा? जितनी उसकी रोप है, और रोप कितनी दी हुई है? जस्ट 5 मीटर्स, 5 सेंटीमीटर्स, आई एम सॉरी 5 मीटर्स. 5 मीटर्स की रोप से हॉर्स इतनी सारी एरिया ग्रेज कर पाएगा. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस सेक्टर. हाउ यू विल फाइंड एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर? एज आई सेड यू, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta will be 90 because each angle of square is 90 degree. Upon 360, pi you can use 22 upon 7, and radius you will use 5. Don't use 15 because it is 5 meters 5 meters rope which is used by a horse to graze. So 5 meters is its maximum range. So that will be 5 meter will be your radius. So you have to find the area. So this will be the sector area which will be grazed by horse. Next is find the increase in grazing area if the rope is now rope were 10 meter long instead of 5. So what will be the area if I increase the rope 10 now? So there will be increase in this area. So I will now find the sector area by using radius as 10 meter. So again you go for sector area, but this time you will use 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 10 into 10. Why? Because I have changed the radius. Now the rope has been increased. It was 5 before and now it is 10 total. So naturally the grazing area will increase. Naturally the sector area will increase. Therefore you have to use 10. From there you will get area of sector. Now how much is the increase? So area of new sector minus area of old sector with radius 5. That answer will be the answer for increase in the area of grazing. Got my point clear? I'll stop it here. God bless.